Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to come on and um, share this little challenge that some of my friends over at Messenger is doing. We're challenging each other to use prompts for some altered playing cards, and the reason why we're doing this is because um, they saw how fun it was that I was doing Deck the Year that they wanted to join in, but they wanted to use prompts. So I have already shared this one in a previous video because I kind of combined them with uh, Artist Trading Card Fun. And this was my first alter playing card. It was my choice, or it was your choice. That was the prompt. And of course, my choice is vintage. So I um, added book pages and some pattern paper. I used a speckled stamp, and I used like a postage die cut. Oops, sorry. This is an ephemera piece that I think I got from Hobby Lobby. And then I have some lace, and this it's not a vintage button. Kind of looks like a vintage button, but it's not. It's a plastic. It looks metal. And then I got this from a free download, and it's a dictionary. It was a frame, and I cut around the frame, or I cut the frame out, and I just inked the edges all the way around. And it says happiness, to feel happy within oneself. I thought that was really cute. The next prompt was dogs, and I used some papers from my scrap bin, and I also used the same papers on the bottom here and on the top of these mini photographs, or I think they were Polaroid snapshots. It was stickers, and I think I got these at Dollar Tree. Then I added some of these. They're not dewdrops, but they're old old something or other. I don't know what they're called. They're plastic drops. I don't know. But I inked the edges and all that. So that was for dogs. This prompt is color blue. Everything on here is color blue, down to the paper. There's ribbon and lace, blue lace. This is another, what do you call it, dictionary, free download. It was blue. The frame was blue, so I put it on here. Blue paper clip, a blue button, blue bling, a blue butterfly. And yeah, that is my color blue prompt. And then this prompt is butterfly. Covered it with papers. These were a free download that I fussy cut. I inked it a little bit, added some gems, flower gems. So I really like how that one turned out. And then this week's prompt is whimsical house. So my friends that I went online with, they said, "Oh, did you draw that?" And I'm like, no. I downloaded a sheet of these whimsical houses on Pinterest, and they were adorable. And I fussy cut them out, and hopefully I'll use these on more projects. Yeah. Oh, look at this one. This one is so cute. A little mushroom. And they're so adorable. Oops. Here's this one and then this one. So yeah, so here's my whimsical house. I inked it up. I even used some white gel pen to add a little dots, and then I used some word strips: explore, create, and dream. I inked them up. I sanded the card down and inked the edges. So yeah, that is my whimsical house for this week. So next week it's homemade paper flowers. So I haven't done that one yet. It's for next week, so I'm waiting for next week. But I just wanted to come on and just share. I'll probably come back on another 4 weeks from now. So it's just between friends of mine online. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great Tuesday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.